Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Walkway. The local time is 5 minutes past to 7 a.m. For safety and comfort, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs off. We remind you to wait until you enter the terminal to use any electronic devices or smoke in the designated areas. Please check around your seat for any personal belongings may have brought on board with you and use caution when opening the overhead bins as some package may have shifted during the flight. If you require any assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers are deployed. One of our crew members will then be pleased to assist you. As this is the termination of flight Ethiopian 8803 on behalf of Ethiopian Airlines and other Star Airlines, Captain Jose and the entire crew would like to say thank you and goodbye to all our passengers who will disembark at the station and we look forward to you on board Ethiopian flights again. Thank you. Have a good day.